Enhanced quality. The YITAMOTOR wiring harness features heavy-duty 14-gauge wires with waterproof thermoplastic PVC jacket that for better performance. Safe construction. The 9-feet harness comes equipped with a fuse, relay and illuminated on/off switch. All were tested rigorously by our professional technician before sales. Easy installation. Using red and black color code for easy hookup, this harness is flexible enough for mounting. Easily connects any lighting accessory to its power source by tapping into the battery directly. For all your lights, with up to 300 W load capacity, this wiring kit is compatible with any LED, HID or halogen off-road light bar, work light or auxiliary light. Money-back guarantee. Making you a happy customer is our guideline. Your satisfaction is backed by our risk-free 30-day money-back guarantee. Give it a shot, you will never go wrong with our YITAMOTOR 9-feet wiring kit. Top reviews from the United States. Works good for me. Used it to install some lower lights on my Kubota BX23's tractor, also uploaded a YouTube video on it. It looks clean, works good, and I didn't have to drill any holes. I'll be getting more for my other equipment.